Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel, Breaking Rules in Our 40s. Thank you so much for coming back. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Letty and a nice warm welcome to you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on my videos. I hope you guys enjoy them and like them, and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you guys go ahead and do that. So today, as you guys can see, I have nothing on my eyes. I think it's going to be a short video. I hope it's a short video because I want to show you guys how I cannot for the life of me wear a winged eyeliner. I have tried so many different directions. I've already tried going high, low, medium, a long one, a short one. I've tried all types of winged eyeliners and nothing works on me. I've even tried, my daughter has tried putting them on me. My sister-in-law has tried doing it on me. Everybody has tried and it just looks awful. I look awful. And to show you guys that I cannot do it, and maybe you guys have tips for me or for other people with hooded eyes like mine that are struggling with it, maybe we can help each other out, and I'm hoping that that's what we can do with this. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start this video and try doing the winged eyeliner and we'll see how that goes. Okay guys, well, there's different techniques that I've seen going around on the YouTube videos for hooded eyes. I even purchased this vamp stamp that has this, let's see if you guys can see that. It has this, I guess, guide that we can use, and I've tried this and it still doesn't look good on me. I've already tried this one. I have also tried using tape. It doesn't work, so I'm going to try those techniques with you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing and how I'm trying, and it just does not look good on me, guys. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, because I've seen other people do winged eyeliners and they have hooded eyes and it looks fine on them. I don't know, maybe it's because my eyes are like way too hooded, or maybe I'm too old for this. I don't know. I've tried and it doesn't work. But okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this stamp. We're gonna try it. There's a right and a left side, and so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on maybe my left eye. No, my right eye. I don't know my sides, but my right eye. And then we'll see how that goes. Again, guys, I am not good at this. Like, have patience with me, because I know you're probably gonna be like, but we're just gonna wing it. We'll see what happens. All right, so I already don't get into this thing, and I remember, guys, that I'm like half-ass blind, so I can't really see what the hell I'm doing. So it's just gonna be one of those videos, guys. I'm scared. How do we, I don't even know how. I tell you, I've tried so many angles and I want to see. Nothing happened. I don't want to go too high either, because I know that's what makes it look worse. Okay, let's let it dry out a little bit and then we're gonna fill it in. I am gonna use what is one? This one is the Smashbox eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna use this to fill it in, and hopefully we'll see how that comes out. I was checking to see if it has ink, but it does. Check that out. So it's my eye isn't picking it up. What the hell is this? Okay. That's already a big old no. I'm not liking this already. Actually, this in person does not look bad. Like when I'm looking in the mirror, it doesn't look bad. But when I look in the camera, it looks terrible in the camera. No, it looks bad. I'm sorry. Never mind. What do you guys think? Okay. So I went and asked my daughter, what do you think about this one? Because it doesn't really look that bad. But she's telling me what you need to do is sharpen this outer line a little bit more. And I have no freaking clue what the heck she's talking about, but I'm assuming she's saying this line needs to be more picudo. How do you say that in English? She says sharp, whatever that means. Oh, see, my fat doesn't let me, the fat of my eye doesn't let me make it sharper. And now I look freaking ridiculous. No, I don't like how that looks. Okay, so let's try this again. Now I'm gonna put on a tape, but I think I need to put a little makeup on here. I'll be honest with you guys, I think I like that winged eyeliner. It didn't look as bad as I thought it was going to. But now I want to try a different way. And then we'll try to go back and forth. And then whichever looks the best, I'm going to try them with, I'm going to put on some eyelashes and we'll see how it looks. Maybe the eyelashes will make it look better. So now I'm going to try the tape. Let's see how that looks. So let me just put on the tape and then I will be back with that. Okay, so I have placed my my tape on here. I hope it's not too high, but we'll work with that. Okay, here we go with this one. Let's see how this looks. So this one, I'm assuming it's gonna be a little bit thinner than the first one. Would that be high enough? And then I've seen them do, because I hardly ever do this, guys. I have no clue how to do this because I never like, I tried for a while and then I just gave up and never did it again. So bear with me. I know I don't know how to do this. I told you guys I was a makeup enthusiast, not a makeup artist. I'm afraid to do it thicker. I can hear you guys out there yelling, no, that's not the way you do it. Once you take off the tape, I think that's when it's going to look like crap. This is too stressful. I don't like doing winged eyeliners. Okay, I'm looking. This part of my eye is so easy to do. It's this flappy freaking fat. Look, because when I do it, look at how the skin moves. I think that's because you're freaking old. I don't know. I really messed up. Look at that big old line right there. And then I'm trying to position myself so the camera can see it, and I think that's where I'm struggling. My God, this looks like crap. Okay, let's let it dry a little bit, and then we'll peel it off and look at the mess that I did. See, what I have noticed when I do this is this part right here, it like curls out, and I like a sharp line, like when those girls do it and they have a freaking sharp line. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful with their eyelashes and everything. But once I take this off, watch, it's gonna be a curl, like a little freaking happy face right there, and I hate it. See, I don't like that. I don't like the happy face. I don't like it for it to go like that. No, don't like that. If I close my eyes, it looks pretty. But once I open it, bam! Damn, bitch, you look like crap. See? If I look face forward, it looks like crap. And that's usually how you're facing people when you're talking to them. So I can't be like this the whole time when I'm talking to people. Because when I look down at the camera, it looks really nice. But then I know that when I'm facing it, because I see myself in the mirror, it looks like shit. So, what do you guys think? Option 2, with the tape. Better? Worse? Let me know. I want to hear it from you guys. I want to hear from the comments. In the comments, I want to see what you guys think. And then I want to know if you guys struggle as much as I do with this stupid crap, because I think this is a teenage thing. But all right, I'm gonna take this one off, and then I don't think I can try any other way, but I'll figure it out. Guys, I'm thinking, what if I try a different color? I have this brown eyeliner, and I think maybe if I try with a different color, it would work. Maybe? You see again that curl right there, right on the underneath my fat on my freaking eye. Because when again, if I look down, it looks pretty, but when I look straight forward, no. Maybe I go further up. When I look straight forward, I'm gonna try to fix it like that. If I cover the camera, sorry guys. Look, you guys see this? Do you guys see this right here? Look. It's my eye. Maybe I have to go get surgery now. No. That's it. I'm done. I told you guys this was going to be a big old fail. I don't like it. But if you guys like it, if you guys have any tips, if you guys know how to do a winged eyeliner on hooded eyes, please, or if you know of a video that would probably teach me, because I've already tried watching a few and none of them have worked for me. If you guys know of any, share them with me. You can put them down in the comment. I would really appreciate it. If you guys have any tips for me, share them with me, because I'm sure there's other people struggling that are going to read the comments and that we could help out as well. So yeah, this is a big fail, so it's a big no for me. I do not like winged eyeliner on me. Maybe the first one was not that bad, but I just don't like that little hoop thing that gets created underneath my eye. I don't like it. So anyways, this was a big fail, and I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate all of your support and everybody helping me out with this dream that I have to create this channel. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.